Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to be taking a look at the Team Raffee 1.9 beadlock wheels. These are the Twin 5Bs. I got these off of Asiatees. Part of the reason I picked these up is because I have a HoBao DC1 which looks like a Mercedes G-Wagon, and these wheels look really close to Mercedes wheels. So let me open these up and we'll take a further look. So I've opened these up, and before we move on, here's a look at the part number. Okay, these are opened up. Let's take a look at the wheels. Twin 5-spoke design. Now with these wheels, I don't really like how they're mounted up or secured. They use these screws here to mount the outer beadlock on, but you'll notice that this ring doesn't have an indentation so that the screws are flush. But it shouldn't really matter because usually the tires go out further than the ring anyway. You'll also notice that it's got a nice hub right there. Let's take these apart and take a look at what we have. It also comes with this hardware for the hub as well as the beadlock ring. Now you can't tell, these are 1.5mm hexes. It might be nice to get maybe cap heads so it doesn't stick out as much. I mean, not cap head, button heads, so they don't stick out as much as these cap heads. Maybe something to look at further down the road. So this is basically the composition of the Twin 5B wheels. The front face, this is actually a removable ring here. Here's the internal part of the wheel. I've noticed that this here is much heavier than some of the other wheels I have. So there's significant weight added with this ring right here. Some of the other beadlock wheels I have a ring that is much lighter than these. So you're going to have a little bit of rotational mass with these, but you know, should be okay. Here's the inner beadlock ring. That's pretty much it. I'll have these mounted up to some Pro line tires soon, KM3s. So I'll be putting these on my HoBao DC1, and stay tuned. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.